Hi, this is Miss Fazone, and this is Radiant. Introduction to Radians. Okay, so what is the formula for the area of a circle? Area and circumference, sorry. So area equals pi r squared, right? Circumference equals, now there's two formulas. There's pi d and there's 2 pi r. We're going to use 2 pi r. Okay. So what's the area and circumference of the unit circle? So what do we know about the unit circle? It's centered at 0, 0, and its radius is 1. So all we're going to do is plug 1 in. So area equals pi times 1 squared. 1 squared is 1, so the area is just pi. We do not use 3.14. We are not in middle school anymore. We're going to use pi. This is an exact answer. We're not rounding. Circumference, 2 pi times 1, so the circumference is 2 pi. Okay? Should be good with that. Okay, so if this is our unit circle, right? What is the area is pi. That's actually not the important part. Circumference is 2 pi. Now, what is circumference? Circumference is the distance around the circle, right? So from here, if we start here, all the way around is 2 pi. Well, what else is 2 pi? If the circumference around, what else around do you know? What is this? That's your degrees. 360 degrees, right? So does it, if this is our 30 degrees, right? Does it matter where you draw the degree, here versus here versus here versus here? No. So actually, 360 degrees is the same as 2 pi. 360 degrees equals 2 pi. Right? So if we divide both sides by 2, pi equals 180 degrees. This is a conversion for radians. Okay? A radian is just another way of representing the angle in a circle. Okay? So a radians is a way of describing the angle in a circle, or just any angle. Okay, kind of like we have degrees and Fahrenheit and Celsius. We have degrees and radians. All right, and our conversion is the 180 degrees equals pi radians. Okay, so that's what our conversion is going to be. All right. Okay. All right. So we're going to convert from degrees to radians. Okay? Degrees to radians. So real quick on the side, let's just do a little quick example. If we have 36 inches, how do you convert that to feet? How do you convert from inches to feet? Well, 12 inches equals 1 foot, right? So you take 36 and you multiply that, times 1 foot over 12 inches. The inches cancel. 36 over 12 is 3. So that's it, right? 3 feet. So that's what we're going to do here. Same idea. But instead of 12 and 1, well, that would have been helpful if you could see what I was writing, right? So again, inches and to feet. It's 12 inches is 1 foot. So I multiply 36 times 1 foot over 12. The inches cancel. Left with 3 feet. We're going to do this, but we're going to use the 180 and the pi. Okay? All right, so we want the degrees to cancel. 180 degree equals pi radians. So we want the degree to cancel, so the degree goes on the bottom. Pi on top. My little degree cancels. So I end up getting 45 pi over 180. And then we're just going to simplify the fraction. That equals 1/4. So pi over 4. Okay, that's it. Done. So if you have trouble simplifying, here's my little trick. You ready? Using the calculator. So I did 45 divided by 180. Enter. And then, so that's the decimal. Then to turn a decimal into a fraction, you hit the math button right under alpha. See this? Math. Okay. And number 1 is fraction. Frac. So it's enter, enter, 1/4. So 45 over 180 is 1/4. So that's really 1 pi over 4. Okay. Same thing for number 2. We want our degrees to cancel. So 180 on the bottom, pi on top. Degrees cancels. So that's 120 pi over 180. We're going to simplify our fraction. So if you can't do it in your head, 120 divided by 180. Math, enter, enter. 2 over 3. So 2 over 3, and then don't forget your pi. Now, if you don't want to do it like that, if you want to use your brain, the zeros cancel. 12 over 18, the common factor is 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 18 divided by 6 is 3.